Okay, so my flight is in less than 24 hours and I have not packed it. Help! Dainty dolls, how are you? I hope all is well. If you have read the title of this video, then you know that it is a pack with me video. I'm going to Florida. I'm going to be there for a undetermined amount of time, but it's actually going to be like a vacation trip as well as a birthday trip, and it's going to be a 2-destination, or should I say a double destination trip? I think double destination trip. I'm gonna go to Florida and then I'm also gonna go to Texas. Wait, so if I'm going to Florida and Texas, then that means I'm gonna have to pack more stuff. I'm going to have to pack for both Texas and Florida. And like I said before, I don't know how long I'm gonna be there, but I definitely need to start packing because my flight leaves in less than 24 hours. So if you are interested in what I pack and how I pack, then please stay tuned. Time is of the essence, and yo, I have clothes to pack. No, like literally. Yo, I have clothes to pack. Alright, dolls, so this is what I have already packed and ready to go. Here I have my jackets and dusters. I have a vest, a jean jacket that I'm going to wear, and 2 dusters. And then here I have my shirts and blouses. I also have my workout gear because I might go to the gym. I also have some pants, and then I have 2 pairs of jeans. A pair of black jeans, I guess you can call them, and then I do have a pair of green like casual pants. And dun 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 dun, my favorite of all are my dresses. I think I have more dresses than anything. This whole set here is dresses as well as this. And then here I have my belts and my accessories. So I have belts here, and then the wraparounds for like my dusters and my dresses, and then I have my accessories here. I put in a hefty bag. Don't judge me, you guys, but I have to get some more packing material. Until then, hefty bags work really good. And then I have, of course, my flat irons here, my girl stuff, makeup here, and then I also have my hefty bags with hygiene products. Here I have one of the purses that I'm going to be taking. So the task now is going to be putting all of this stuff in here. So we're going to see if all of my luggage, what am I saying? If all of my clothes can fit in my luggage. So what I'm going to start by doing is I'm going to start with my pants to see if they fit in the luggage. So what I like doing is actually rolling my clothing up. It tends to make more space. It's just easier to see, or whatever I'm wearing. Like if it's rolled up, then I kind of have an idea of what it is versus me trying to look through each item and just like pulling each item up. I actually package them in this type of way, so it makes it a bit easier for me. So I'm just going to finish doing this, and we'll see if what I pack is able to fit. This is really going to be a challenge, guys, so we will see. So as you can see, I have most of all of my things that successfully did fit in this piece. And then I had a couple extra things like my sleeping wear and my jackets, and I just put that on this side just to actually help with spacing. At this point, this is the space that I have left, this one little corner, and I have to put all of these things in this little space. Oh man, guys, my shoes also have to fit in here too. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay, dolls, I did also want to let you guys know what type of shoes I'm going to be taking. The first is going to be my Huaraches. These are going to be for like the gym, and then when I wear my jeans or some dresses that are kind of dressed down, I can accessorize them with those shoes. So I'll be taking those. And then I also have a blush pair of open-toed shoes, which I got from Charlotte Russe. I'm going to wear those with dresses as well as certain jeans, depending on what type of blouse I wear. I also have my sandals, which I got from Target. And lastly, I have my Steve Madden pumps. They're blush as well, and I would be wearing those like in the event that I'm going to church or I cannot wear the Huaraches or the flats. Those are going to be what shoes I wear. So now we are going to see if everything fits in the luggage. So I have successfully packed. My bag looks a bit full.
But hey, that's what luggage is for.
What I'm gonna do is open my luggage up so you can see how I packed everything. You can see here, what I'm gonna do is just show you here how I packed. So on this side, I put all of my hygiene stuff, as well as a couple shirts, and my shoes are in here as well. I put them underneath, and then on this side, of course, I have all of my clothing in here, and yeah, so everything fit. The only things that did not were these two dresses. They probably could fit, but realistically, I won't wear them, so that was process of elimination. I just took those out. And then here is the finishing product. So yeah. We packed everything into the luggage successfully. Your girl is all set and ready to go. I'm definitely looking forward to this trip. It is going to be amazing. So make sure you guys stay tuned to our channel. Make sure that you subscribe down below so that you are officially a dainty doll. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so if we have any new videos, once we do post them, you are notified. And make sure you thumbs up. Yes, like this video and comment down below. Any questions that you have, just leave your comment down below. And until next time,